I'm Mike from Textiles, and now I will go over the bracket options for the Evaglide H Profile. Please note these brackets are available in all colours except for the bronze, where we would substitute the brackets for black. First bracket option I want to show you is the ceiling fix bracket. This is specifically designed to fix to the ceiling and has a slight cutaway on the bracket to give a very nice discreet finish. It has the lever lock arm, so it's very easy to install. The next bracket is a 3 cm universal bracket. This again has the fixing for going to the ceiling, but also to go to the wall, again with the lever lock arm. The final bracket is an extended 8 cm bracket, which is ideal for use with the Easy Wave, or if you just need a bigger projection from the wall. It does have an option for top fixing, but predominantly this would be used for wall fixing. Again, it comes with a lever lock arm. Now I'll show you how to fix a bracket to the track. So once the bracket is fixed to the wall, you'll want the lever arm in its down position. Then on the back of the track there's a groove that just gets placed straight over the bracket, and then the arm will be turned 90 degrees to lock the bracket into place. It doesn't matter if you rotate it left or right. Once that's rotated, that's the bracket locked onto the track. Thank you.